Are you ready to live in paradise? Then imagine waking up to this amazing view every day. Tracy and Ty Shivers have just listed this highly sought after 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath condo in a pet-friendly building at Jupiter Ocean Grande. Located steps away from the turquoise waters of the Atlantic, this condo captures the look and feel of West Indies decor with exquisite craftsmanship, marble and pristine wood throughout the 2,362 square feet of living space. The master suite features sliding glass doors which lead out to the terrace directly overlooking the ocean. Sold furnished with high-end furnishings, the building offers numerous amenities including a resort-style pool, 24-hour manned gated entrance, and 2 covered underground garage spaces. And this is one of the few condos that allow pets. This unit is listed for $1,695,000 with premier properties of South Florida, led by Ty and Tracy Shivers. Changing the way real estate is bought and sold in South Florida is what Tracy and Ty Shivers are known for. Their clients rave about their concierge service, and unlike other realtors, their team will even install or fix items throughout your property, eliminating the dreaded honey-do list. We value relationships and offer more. If a room needs to be painted, a ceiling fan hung, or your house pressure cleaned so it shows better, our team will take care of it at little or no charge to you. It's our customer service and attention to detail that keeps our clients coming back, says Ty Shivers. With more than 20 years of experience and over $800 million sold, you can trust and rely on premier properties of South Florida to help you buy or sell your home. Call Tracy and Ty Shivers at 561-747-6600.